Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Easy Solutions. Today I'm talking about logos. Now you could do this for free. Now you may have been seeing it out on Fiverr and people use Photoshop, but today we're not using Photoshop or GIMP. We are off inside, we're going to use Canva today, okay? And I'm going to show you how to create an outstanding logo that stands out, okay? Now, you can do this. I want you to comment below and say, I can do this. All right, let's go. Now, as you can see, there's different logos that's giving you. I'm giving you like some different ideas that you can actually go with. Now, I clicked on this right here. That these are actually on Fiverr right now. It's a guy that actually create these logos on Fiverr. Now, we're not gonna go onto Fiverr today. We're gonna do this ourselves. And I'm teaching you right now that you can do this right on the inside of Canva. What you want to do is click on logos right here, right? And then it's going to take you over to this page. And you're going to get all different type of designs for different types of logos right here, okay? And this, what I chose this one right here, right? And this right here is what I'm going to put on here is blue snowball, okay? And I'm gonna go find an icon. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna go find an icon. And I found some snowball icons. And so I was just going through and I was looking at these right here, right? And so we're gonna see if they actually give me a good icon for what we're trying to do. If this icon don't work, we're gonna try something else. All right. So, and I wanted to get with a blue snowball icon of a microphone, okay? So let's go with one. Let me see, I want to pick here which one I would like to go with. That's gonna bring out I don't want nothing that looks like a golf ball. We don't want that. So we're gonna go in here and let's just take a look. See, let's take a look. Let's keep looking. Let's look and looking right along, looking. That looks like a rattle for a baby or something like that. You know, just be creative. You want to maybe do a little bit more research. I'm not gonna spend too much time looking, okay? Because I want to pick one, and we want to see if how that actually gonna look when we put it onto here. If it's the pixelation is not too bad, okay? So let's find one. Let's go with one. Let's find one. Do they have photos of one? Let's look at photos real quick instead of an icon. Maybe they might have a good photo. And we might have to take out the background and that sort of thing. Nope, photos is not gonna work. So let's go back to icons. Let's go back to icons. So let's pick one. Pick one, Ken. Let's download this one, and we want to download it into a PNG because we want a transparent background, correct? So I'm gonna put it right in here, to this one, so that yes, it's gonna make a change of some things here. See here, we go yes. I'm gonna say yes. Then let's go back over here to Canva. And let's go upload that inside here real quick. Okay. Looking good, looks good, right? Yep, that looks fantastic. Well, I like it. Okay. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add this in here. We're gonna keep it just like so. And we're gonna bring this blue to probably about right there. I already like how the text is. And we're gonna keep it just like so, like this. Now, I could get a little fancy with this if I like, but I'm gonna add some more effects to this. I'm gonna go with this effect, and we'll probably, since we got blue, we're gonna make it more in blue enhanced, and we want some more colors in there. We'll make that yellow. Yeah, we'll make that yellow, and then this snowball, we're gonna add effect to it, and maybe I'll make it to a neon color. And let's see what colors they give me here. Yeah, we want neon color. intense, we'll bring it to probably about right there. We'll change that instead of that being that snowball having that blur effect to it, we'll bring it maybe to something like that. Maybe another blue. Yeah, we'll make another blue there. Okay, looks good. And we'll maybe make it a little bit different there. And instead of that, we'll go with Moco. Maybe we'll bring that like somewhere around in there. Maybe we'll change that. Yeah, there we go. I like that font right there. Okay, boom. Okay, and then I'm gonna group this together. And then I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger so it'll kind of stand out, and enlarging it a little bit. There we go. It's about like that. Maybe ungroup this again. I'm not liking that effect onto that. Not liking the effect of that. We'll probably just go back to our old standard effect and create that to a black. And yeah, yes, that part. And we'll thicken up that black a little bit. And I'm gonna go over here and kind of expand it out. Letter spacing. I'm gonna space out the lettering just a little bit like that, and bring it out to about right there. We'll do blue snowball. Okay. Alright. There we go. Now, if you're liking this here tutorial video, be sure to go ahead and hit a thumbs up. And if you're liking more content like this, go ahead and subscribe and leave a comment down below and say, hey, can you create more YouTube videos around this here subject, or around this here on creating more logos and that sort of, and give a more in depth on what I'm doing. I would love to hear your feedback about this, because this would actually help me create more tutorial videos like this and showing you on different tactics and strategies on creating your own logos for your business. Now, if you want me to create a logo for you, just get back at me, and just leave a comment down below, and I will get with you guys, and I'll show you on how to actually create this for a very low cost. Okay, now I'm talking very low. I would never charge nobody or arm and leg, but pay attention in class, ladies and gentlemen, because you're gonna actually learn something. Now, I'm not gonna sit up here and I'm not gonna edit nothing out. Now, I'm gonna add a little bit of effects to just to keep you engaged on what I'm doing here. Okay. Now, it's not gonna be a whole lot of effects. Might have a little bit of background music playing for you guys or whatnot, and just, you know, keeping you in tune. Now, like I said, if you like more content like this, hit that thumbs up if you're liking the video. Now, if you want to subscribe to the channel, that would be highly appreciated. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, and be sure to hit all, so you'll be notified when I make the next up and coming video. So I'll see you on the next one. Bye for today. Bye for tonight. Bye bye.